thunderstorm was located near Lawsonville or near Francisco and moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Lawsonville, Kreitz, Ken Store. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of quarter or larger sized hail, as well as wind damage, including trees or large limbs downed, by calling the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-215-4324.